Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026. Hope you all been doing well. All right, so just want to give you an update today on what I've been seeing and what we did today in the WealthCharts live training room. So I've got just the volume profile. I did a 2-minute chart for you here today. And what I mentioned was this is a 9:30 open, and we were, just below the point of control at the time. And what I had mentioned was, based on where we were at, if it holds here at the open, there's going to be this magnet. And what I mean by that is this is the gap from the overnight session. Okay, I drew a dotted green line here. And so we basically consolidated for a few minutes and then went down. Okay, and I usually wait the first 10 minutes before I take trades. So from 9:30 to 9:40, I will wait. Then from there, I look. And as you can see here, we continue down. That's fairly bearish. We had the retracement, beautiful wicks here. And this is what I started looking for here as we were going into 9:45 and so forth. Okay, so again, we looked at the roadmap initially, where we were at, where the probability were. Didn't know how far it was going to fall, but knew there was a probability of catching that gap as well. So then when I show you how I executed here within the WealthCharts live training room today, you can see here again, this right here is 9:30. So we were in a downtrend already on the 1-minute NQ. Beautiful downtrend. Okay. And again, I don't chase. I didn't go in the first 10 minutes from 9:30 to 9:40. I waited. I said, everyone patiently wait for a retracement. We got it. And then I entered short. Beautiful setup. We also had a TRP cross, a HADS, a Laguerre. Again, that is my absolute favorite setup. And again, just a beautiful move down, and many, many great comments there in the WealthCharts live training room. Some got funded. Some are looking for payouts, and again, just a fantastic, fantastic day. So come join me, folks. Tomorrow is Wednesday. You can come join me. If you go into your charts here, you right click on the main menu, or left click, sorry, on the main menu, and you go to Wealth Chart Events. When you do that, it'll come up. And so like for Wednesday, you can see Wednesday, I will be starting at 9:30. You can click on that and come see me. Okay, we do a lot of teaching, a lot of learning, and of course, trading. So hope to see you all there, folks. Have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next update. Take care.